Okay, today I wanted to make a video on making a fishing rig out of a water bottle and some fishing line, so stay tuned. Okay, what you're gonna need is an empty water bottle, some fishing line, a hook or fly, and a sinker. Okay, so take a bit of this fishing line, like 3 or 4 feet maybe, a little bit more. Okay, just slice it. Take your cap off, okay? You take your fishing line and just stick it in, and then you put your cap back on. So that the end of your fishing line is inside your water bottle, okay? Then you take your other end okay, save your fishing line on one end. You take your other end and you tie a fly onto it, so it does work. It's not pretty. And then you take a sinker and like 2 feet from your fly or your power bait, just take a split shot sinker. Just pinch it in. So, fly, sinker, and your water bottle. Okay. Then you take this and you run your line up and just wrap it, and then it's a built-in fishing pole. From junk. Okay. There's your water bottle fishing pole that you can actually catch fish with. You get hooked?
Yeah, got it.
It's not moving very fast.
Let it go.
Okay, grab it.
How big is
Okay. Proof that it actually works.